We'll see how this disposal performs in our scrap mix test. In this test, the disposal will take no longer than 4 minutes to process 11 types of food that weigh roughly 90 ounces in total. To assess a performance in the test, we focus on how quickly the disposal finishes the task and how finely the output materials are processed. The equipment that we use includes a stopwatch, a sound level meter, a scale, and finally, one colander with small holes and another one with larger holes. Let's get to it. As we bring in the prepared scraps, you can see cooked fish scraps, celery, corn cobs, avocado pit, among other things. First thing we do going into this test is mix up the mishmash the best we could to create a realistic load of scrap food. As we guide the food to the sink drain, we let the scraps slide through as naturally as possible and only push in the pieces that are too large to fall in by themselves. We also make sure that a piece of lemon is among the last pieces of scrap to enter the grinding chamber. Close to the 3-minute mark, we pause to check inside and see that the disposal has finished the task. We then proceed to categorize the output materials using the colanders with large holes as layer 1 and the colander with smaller holes as layer 2. The L-1001 was rather impressive for such a small grinder. It went through 90 ounces of food scraps fairly effortlessly and left behind only 0.06 ounces worth of shredded bits. But due to the limited capacity, it took the disposal more than 2 minutes just to take in the input load. Although those weren't the best results we've seen, the disposal did an okay job at producing safe output. Also, it was more effective with bones than we had anticipated. In summary, the Waste-King L-1001 half horsepower scores 6 points for time, 5.5 for layer 1, and 6.3 for layer 2, which leads to a 5.9 rating for the disposal's performance in the scrap mix test. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.